There are 3 Japanese pickup trucks sitting on used lots right now that most buyers walk right past. And I am not talking about overlooked gems with a minor quirk or two. I am talking about trucks that mechanics I know have personally bought for themselves, their brothers, their sons, because the price made no sense for what you were actually getting. After 22 years working on these trucks, I have watched buyers spend $38,000 on a used Tacoma with 60,000 miles, while these 3 sat nearby for half the price with the same or better mechanical bones. And number 1 on this list is a Japanese pickup truck that lost 64% of its value in 5 years. Mechanics consider that the best news they have heard all month. Let's get into it. Number 3, Honda Ridgeline, 2018 to 2021. Number 3 is a Japanese pickup truck that Consumer Reports ranked as one of the best mid-size trucks ever tested. And most buyers will not even look at it because it does not look traditional. That one bias is handing you a deal you do not deserve. I had a customer come in, woman in her late 40s, needed a truck for light hauling and daily highway commuting. She had been looking at used Ford Rangers, and the prices were not adding up. I asked her one question: "Have you looked at the Honda Ridgeline?" She said, "Is that the one that looks like an SUV?" I said yes, and it has a lockable trunk under the bed, a 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6, fully independent suspension, and $502 a year to maintain. I showed her a 2019 Ridgeline RTL AWD with 62,000 miles for $21,500. She bought it 8 months later. Oil change and a cabin air filter, that was it. The 2018 to 2021 generation is the sweet spot on this Japanese pickup truck. The 2018 model resolved the fuel injector complaints that hit the 2017 launch year, and the 2020 brought a full mid-cycle refresh. The 3.5-liter V6 is the same engine family powering the Honda Pilot and Passport. No turbo, timing chain for life, proven past 250,000 miles in multiple Honda platforms. RepairPal puts annual maintenance at $502 against the Ford Ranger at $615. That is $113 less every year to run a Japanese pickup truck with a more proven engine and far smoother ride. When you go look at one, verify the backup camera recall on 2018 and 2019 models has been completed on the VIN. Check AWD engagement on your test drive. It should be seamless. A 2019 Ridgeline RT LAWD with 65,000 miles is $20,000 to $24,000. A same-year Ford Ranger XLT 4WD with similar miles is $22,000 to $26,000, costs more annually, and has a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost without anywhere near the same long-term track record. But the next Japanese pickup truck on this list is even cheaper and even more ignored. Number 2, Nissan Frontier, 2009 to 2014. Number 2 is the Japanese pickup truck mechanics buy when they need something to last a decade with zero drama and zero budget. The old generation Frontier with the 4.0-liter VQ40 V6 that most buyers skip because it has over 100,000 miles on it. That is exactly why it is the best deal on any used lot right now. I had a landscaping contractor come in 2 years ago, needed a second work truck on a $12,000 budget. I pulled up a 2012 Frontier SVV6 with 118,000 miles for $11,200. He told me that was too many miles. I told him the VQ40 does not care about miles. It cares about oil changes. 18 months and 29,000 additional miles later, he has spent $340 on maintenance. That is it. The VQ40 4.0-liter V6 is naturally aspirated, timing chain for life, and Ward's Auto named it to their 10 best engines list 14 consecutive years. RepairPal rates the Frontier first out of 7 midsize trucks for reliability at $470 annual maintenance. A Chevrolet Colorado runs $514. A Ford Ranger runs $615. The Frontier beats both American alternatives every single year, while the VQ40 builds quietly toward 250,000 miles. One thing to know before you buy: the 2005 to 2008 Frontiers had a radiator flaw where the internal transmission cooler could crack and destroy both the radiator and transmission. Nissan redesigned it after 2008. Start from 2009 forward. When you go look at one, check the transmission fluid, Clean red means you are safe. Pink and frothy means walk away. A 2012 Frontier SV V6 with 110,000 miles is $10,000 to $14,000. A same-year Chevrolet Colorado with similar miles costs more every year to maintain for a less proven engine. That is money you keep for doing nothing except buying the right Japanese pickup truck. Number 1. Nissan Titan, 2020 to 2023. Number 1 is a full-size Japanese pickup truck with a 400 horsepower V8, 9,300-pound towing capacity, and a 5-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty no other Japanese truck in this class matches. And it lost 64% of its value in 5 years because nobody bought it when it was new. That is your gain. I had a contractor come in 14 months ago, needed a full-size truck to tow a loaded trailer 5 days a week. He had been looking at used Ford F-150 EcoBoost trucks. I told him straight, the EcoBoost twin turbo at 80,000 miles has a known pattern of coolant leaks into the cylinders. Budget $3,000 to $4,000 for a potential repair. Then I showed him a 2021 Nissan Titan SV Crew, Cab 4WD, 54,000 miles, $28,500. He stared at the screen and said, "Why is it that cheap?" I told him the truth. Nissan discontinued the Titan after 2024 because it never won a sales contest against the F-150, Silverado, and Ram. The market ignored it, not because anything is wrong mechanically, because it could not win a popularity contest. The 5.6-liter Endurance 5.8 is naturally aspirated, timing chain, no turbo failures, no direct injection complications, 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque. RepairPal ranks the Titan second out of 17 full-size trucks for reliability at $555 annual maintenance. The full-size truck segment average is $936. A Ford F-150 costs $788 a year. A Chevrolet Silverado costs $714. The Titan beats both American alternatives every year by hundreds of dollars, while the V8 builds quietly toward 250,000 miles. The 2023 earned an 88 out of 100 from J.D. Power, beating the Chevrolet Silverado at 80 and the Ford Ranger at 87. The 2022 model had 0 recorded complaints with both car complaints and NHTSA 0. When you go look at one, verify the 5.6-liter V8. Check for any active warranty coverage remaining on the VIN. Some 2021 models still have factory coverage active right now. A 2021 Titan SV Crew Cab 4WD with 60,000 miles is $26,000 to $31,000. A same-year Ford F-150 XLT 4WD with similar miles is $34,000 to $40,000. That is a $9,000 gap for a Japanese pickup truck with a simpler engine, a higher reliability score, and $233 less every year in maintenance. The market left this truck behind. You should be picking it up. If I had to buy one dirt cheap Japanese pickup truck right now to drive for the next 12 years, I would find a clean 2021 Nissan Titan 5.6 V8 and never look at another full-size truck again. So there it is. 3 Japanese pickup trucks nobody buys, but mechanics say last forever. The Honda Ridgeline, 2018 to 2021, proven V6, lockable underbed trunk, $113 cheaper every year than a Ford Ranger. The Nissan Frontier, 2009 to 2014, VQ40, a Japanese pickup truck mechanics buy for $12,000 that runs 250,000 miles on oil changes. And the Nissan Titan 2020 to 2023, a full-size Japanese pickup truck with a naturally aspirated V8, an 88 out of 100 from J.D. Power, and a price that makes no sense for what you are getting. Now, if you want to know which Japanese pickup truck holds its value best when it is time to sell, that video is right here. 22 years of watching trucks come and go. Like if this helped, subscribe for more. I will keep giving you the truth, dealerships won't. Drive safe, take care of your truck, and it will take care of you. See you in the next one.